All right, guys, welcome back to another Paint Collectible store. A look at the InArt Batsignal from the 2022 Batman, Robert Pattinson. Holy fuck. Now, first of all, I love the theme and the consistency in the box art throughout all three releases of the Batman, but for box storage space, this thing's fucked. It's so big, and you've got 3 boxes, or if you bought the 3-pack, you've got one giant box that's pretty much a statue box size. So yeah, but everything they've made so far I fucking loved, so I'm sure I cannot wait to look at this. Let's take a look. All right, InArt always does a phenomenal job when it comes to packaging. And this one, my friends, is absolutely no different. Open your clamshell. Got your instructions. And have your Batsignal. InArt grade. Similar to the statue box. Let me show you just how it comes. Very nicely padded. I mean, this is good. This is gorgeous. Let's take this out. Holy shit. I appreciate the sponge that they put on this. Very amazing, very fucking good attention to detail. Very good. Got your feet. Alright, you guys, this is a beautiful release. I've seen the other one that was made, right? I've reviewed it before. This one's better. Light years better. Why? Number one, the fins articulate individually. Isn't that insane? Like, see this? This is a much better product. Number two, the weathering, the patina. Even though this is plastic, it looks like weathered metal. And they did such an amazing job at this. This is so good. And you know what? These lick stands are awesome. I love these lick stands because there's no click or anything. Just like this, boom, and you're done. And, oh, and the lick stands even have rubber padding. The feet have rubber padding on them. So, very nice release. They thought of a lot of stuff. And then, just 2 double A's. Pop the door cover back on. Just use it to line them up. And you're done. Power switch is over here. So if I click this, boom, voila. Here you have your very awesome Batsignal. And of course you can, oh, that's fucking beautiful, guys. Just fucking beautiful. Fuck yes. I love it. I love it. So good. And now let's add our buddy Booty McBroodster into the mix, and you can see how he scales. Okay, so personally for me, the only thing that I'm not a fan of, and this is a personal preference, is that the light is warm tone. I hate warm tone. I only shoot in cold tone. Like if even back in photography darkroom days, I always shot with cool tone film. So warm tone, 3000 Kelvin does not work for me. I like shooting between 45 and 5200 Kelvin. So yeah, there you go. Scaling is fucking awesome, fucking perfect. This is the much better release. This is just a much better release. By comparison, light years. This is like life size shrunk down to 1/6. Does not feel like a toy. So. Alright guys, toss a like, subscribe, tell me to go away, however you want to do it. This has been Paint Collectibles Store presentation of the 1/6 Batsignal. See you guys in the next video.